brother. We love you. On that note.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Now, I got a little bit of money filling my pockets. Roll around like I run and shit. I got a system filled up with toxins. I've been broken hearted, now it's fuck that bitch. Getting how to deal with my problems. Fucking bitch getting drunk and shit, but this bitch getting obnoxious. Ain't nothing to me though, I love this shit. Go long days, longer nights, talk too much, the wrong advice. All the lights and call my life. Doctor, will you help me? Keep me healthy, keep it low, this where hell be. Ain't shit you can tell me now. Fuck this rap shit, but you selling out. Ooh shit, my new bitch, you jealous now. Smoking weed at the crib, watch your belly now. All the pain that they causing, like fucking we ballin' out, everything straight. Feeling the feeling, I'm chillin', just living, I'm getting away. Conversations we having, I'm getting too static, too much on my plate. Lord, I need me a break. I'll be good by the weekend. Yeah. I'll be good by the weekend. Yeah. Everything good by the weekend. Yeah. Everything will be good by the weekend. By the weekend. We going out tonight, yeah, we going out tonight. Like fuck it, we going out tonight, yeah, we going out tonight. Fuck it, we going out tonight, yeah, we going out tonight. It's a weekend, we going out tonight, yeah, we going out tonight. It's a weekend, I've been having trouble sleeping, battling the demons, wondering what's the thing that keeps me breathing. Is it money, fame, or neither? I've been thinking about the places that I frequent, all the people that I see. Solid, living decent. I need a big G. Yeah, and all the time we fall behind. Bitches in the concubine, I call them mine. Crazy. And God is I make water, wine, pause. The time is coming, they often hate me. Never will I walk the line across the T's and dot the I's. Wondering how I got this high. Fell asleep and forgot to die. Goddamn. I'm popping them dollars and drinking them powders. Faded. Get it over the counter. I'm stuck on the browser. Like, how did I make it? Bitches don't know me, this shit is so lonely until she get naked. Don't even know what the day is. I'll be good by the weekend. Yeah. I'll be good by the weekend. Yeah. Everything good by the weekend. Yeah. Everything will be good by the weekend. By the weekend. Mondays I think, but I ain't tripping. Tuesdays I'm in. Gotta get my hands up, yeah. Wednesdays I'm lit with you. You know you're staying over. Thursdays I'm sick of. I got to get busy. Fridays are always the start of the time of my life. Alright. Faded, you hate it, but baby, it's gonna be alright. I'll be good by the weekend. Yeah. I'll be good by the weekend. Yeah. Everything good by the weekend. Yeah. Everything will be good by the weekend. By the weekend.
Stunt farm, bitch.
Fuck this shit. That's right, you go.